So, here's where the pigs were the last time I had pigs. I don't think there's gonna be another time I have pigs. Never say never, I guess, but holy crap, after that experience, I'm completely turned off to the idea of having pigs ever again. But this is an area that would love to be a pond, as we can see. And not sure the pigs helped with that, but I think they did. We've definitely got water staying right here. As you can see, they didn't do too much rooting, but I'm sure they did some compacting. And the water is going over there. That should be the edge. But yeah, it's looking like piggies have helped at least create a suitable pond area to catch all this water coming down this hill up here. Some crazy steep hill and water coming down in all directions here. I'm gonna capture it, slow it, spread it, sink it. So I know if you actually dig out a pond and it's leaking and you put ducks in it, that's supposed to help seal it in, but maybe pigs. Helpful compaction. So last year I planted some music garlic, I think from Fairley Farm out in Oregon. And I don't remember how many bulbs they sent me, probably like 25. And the goats, when it was, this tall and ready to start making some serious garlic, the goats came in. I thought they'd leave it alone, but of course they didn't. And they came in and they started pulling them out up to, out by the roots and eating them and trampling them. And they basically destroyed my entire garlic crop last year. Well, this is what I just pulled out of that area. And I haven't counted, but there's gotta be 100. Especially these little tiny suckers here. This isn't grass. These are all garlic. You can see the little tiny bulbs here. So I get to tease all of these apart and plant them out, and I was thinking of putting some of this up for sale locally, because there's so much that, well, I have extras, I think, so, yeah. So even though the goats ruined last year's crop, this is crazy resilience from this music garlic variety here. Yeah, I think it really likes it here. It likes growing in goat poop in the Northeast. Hey everybody, just thought I'd let you know that the ticks are out. This is in my couch, a few feet from in my couch. This is sitting here less than 3 feet from my couch. That's a tick, and it's just sitting here. I don't know how it got all the way up here. I don't know who brought it in here. But it's definitely waiting to latch on to the nearest cat, dog, or me. And I pulled one off my neck the other day, pulled one off my ear. And I haven't been in the woods yet recently. I've just been around the house. So, FYI, ticks are out if you're in the Northeast, and they're horrible this year. I mean horrible. I've been picking more off me than I have off of my dog. So, heads up on that. Ticks are out. Well, I picked up a buttload of trees from East Hill Tree Farm yesterday with some help from my friends. Since I still don't have a vehicle right now that works and haven't had one all winter, planned on doing some planting when I got home, but it was raining. And then it rained all day yesterday, and you guys seeing this on camera? It is late April, and of course it's frickin' snowing. So that's fun. I imagine that my... Hello, little Baron Von Trapp. How you doing, little dude? I imagine the boysenberries and fall gold raspberries out here aren't very happy. I got my garlic sitting in the sled waiting to go to the back 40 and get planted out somewhere. I have no idea where yet. And, yeah. Yes, little dude. Yeah, the beginnings of a tiny organic nursery here. And, yeah, but it's snowing. So, hopefully tomorrow I can get some of this stuff out to the back 40 acres and planted, where I was hoping to already have a cabin and a barn by now. But don't, which is very panic-inducing. It's already April, and I'm guessing contractors are booked into September of this year already. So, pretty worried about that. And the driveway's not done, and the pond that was built first is leaking, and the second one blew out and is still absolutely screwed until I get in there with a pump and some type of machinery to pump the water out and dry out the material so I can rebuild the berm somehow. You having fun down there, little dude? What are you doing? So, that's what things are looking like here. It is snowing. So, just standing here waiting for the weather to improve a little. Things are, well, certain things are starting to bud out, like oaks and blueberries and stuff, so I'm sure they're thrilled that it's snowing right now. This is, yay, New England.